Lack of nutrition can cause your hair to fall out. Excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. After using this home remedy, you'll instantly notice that your hair is silky and shiny and will grow at a very fast rate. Fast: take 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel in a bowl. Aloe vera has long been used for treating hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and conditions hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. You can apply pure aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair a few times per week. Add 1 tablespoon curd/milk. Power-packed with antibacterial properties, the curd is an excellent ingredient to keep scalp infections at bay. Moreover, it is known to reduce stubborn dandruff and itchiness. In addition, curd is rich in vitamin B5 and D, which makes it an excellent superfood for our hair. Add 1 egg. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Add some coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Mix well. You can apply this remedy to your scalp and hair. Gently massage yours for a good 15 minutes. Leave it in your hair for at least 2 hours. You can apply this remedy 3 times a week, and in about 2 weeks' time, you will see a difference. Make sure you massage your scalp for 15 minutes, since this will promote a healthy blood flow, which means better circulation, which leads to faster and healthier hair growth. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.